In this video, we listed the 5 best mini PC on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GMKtec G2 Mini PC. The GMKtec LarkBox G2 is a compact mini PC designed for multimedia use and general computing tasks. It features an Intel Alder Lake N100 processor with a 3.4 GHz max frequency, 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and a 512 GB M.2 SSD for storage, expandable up to 2 TB. It supports triple display output via dual HDMI and DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and dual gigabit Ethernet. Its small form factor includes multiple USB ports and a VESA mount for flexible placement. A built-in fan, heat pipe and aluminum plate provide effective heat dissipation to ensure stable running. The device comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and is CE certified. Number 2. Chuwi LarkBox X Mini PC. The Chuwi LarkBox X is a compact and powerful mini desktop PC designed for a variety of uses, from office work to gaming and home entertainment. It features an Intel N100 processor with a turbo frequency of up to 3.4 GHz, Intel UHD graphics, 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and a 512 GB SSD, expandable to 1 TB via M.2 slot. It supports triple 4K display output via HDMI, DisplayPort, and a full-featured Type-C port, and offers extensive connectivity options including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, dual gigabit Ethernet ports, and multiple USB ports. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and supporting Linux, Ubuntu, the LarkBox X balances performance and portability in a small form factor. Number 3. Beelink Mini S12. The Beelink Mini S12 and Mini S12 Pro are compact and powerful mini PCs designed for home, office, and multimedia use. Powered by Intel's 12th generation processors, the Mini S12 features a quad-core N95 CPU with a base frequency of up to 3.4 GHz, while the Mini S12 Pro is equipped with a quad-core N100 CPU. Both models come pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and support Linux OS. They offer 8 GB DDR4 RAM and 256 GB M.2 SSD storage, with expandable options up to 2 TB via additional connectors or USB ports. These mini PCs support dual 4K displays through HDMI 2.0 ports and feature integrated Intel UHD graphics for smooth video playback. They are equipped with multiple interfaces, including USB 3.2 Gen 2, HDMI, RJ45 LAN, and audio jacks, and boast advanced cooling systems for efficient heat dissipation. Additional features include Wake on LAN, Auto Power On, and energy-efficient operation. Compact and lightweight, they come with wall-mounted brackets for space-saving setups and are ideal for various applications such as office work, online education, digital signage, light gaming, and home theater use. The Mini S12 Pro also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for enhanced connectivity. Number 4. GMKtec M6 Mini PC. The GMKtec M6 Mini PC is a compact desktop computer designed for multimedia use. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 6600H processor with integrated AMD Radeon 660M graphics and up to 4.5 GHz, it features 16 GB of DDR5 memory and a 512 GB SSD, expandable to 4 TB. It supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 and offers multiple ports including USB 4.0, USB 3.2, HDMI 2.0, and dual gigabit Ethernet. It can connect to 3 displays simultaneously and includes a VESA mount for easy installation. The M6 also prioritizes thermal management with an integrated fan, heat pipe, and aluminum plate for effective cooling. Number 5. Minisforum MS-A1 Mini PC. The Minisforum A1 Mini PC barebones is a highly customizable and versatile mini desktop designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking a compact yet powerful computing solution. As a barebones system, it allows users to install their own CPU, AMD AM5 socket compatible, RAM, SSD, and operating system, tailoring the machine to their specific needs. It features dual 2.5 gigabits per second LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and multiple M.2 SSD slots for extensive storage expansion, supporting RAID configurations. With integrated graphics, dual-channel DDR5 memory support, and triple video output, HDMI, DP, USB-C, it is suitable for a variety of applications including high-performance gaming, multimedia tasks, digital signage, securities trading, and CAD work, offering a balance of performance and flexibility.